Back here at home, a jury trial decision out of Hidalgo County is in, and it's left a lasting impression.
Jurors decided a mission-based bail bondsman will have to pay up $50,000.
Channel 5's Carolina Cruz explains the impact the case could have on other bail bond companies in the county.
Neither the district judge nor a bail bondsman we spoke to with over 2 decades of experience could recall a bond forfeiture case in Hidalgo County ending up in court. This is the first jury trial involving a bond for forfeiture they can refer to. The judgment in today's case serves as an example for any future bond forfeiture cases. It took over 4 years to get to this point, a jury decision on an over 4-year-old case.
Going forward, it'll at least set a reference point, yes.
The case started on October 10th, 2013. Omar Guerrero was due in court on a misdemeanor charge. He was out on a $50,000 bond, a bond posted by Corpus Bail Bonds. Guerrero never made it to the courtroom that day. He's been on the run since.
The bondsman and the DA's office would try and get the individuals into the courtroom, and when that doesn't happen, it becomes a matter of what happens next with regards to the monies. And
if a settlement isn't reached, the case goes to trial. In this case, the state sued Guerrero and the bondsman, Arnoldo Corpus. Corpus's defense was the state didn't follow proper procedure in calling for Corpus the day he was due in court in 2013. Today, a jury decided the paper trail of evidence shows Corpus is responsible for paying the state $50,000. For bondsman Rene Ortega, this is a lesson learned.
I've never gotten to that point. I never want one of my cases to get to that point.
Ortega has over 20 years of experience in the bail bond business.
If I feel like I don't feel good about, secure about the bond, I'm not going to post it. And so I'll let somebody else decide whether they want to post a bond or not.
He knows the responsibility of a bondsman is to make sure every defendant sees their case through. If not, it's the company that takes a financial hit.
We'll probably all learn from this, and it's probably not something we look forward to.
Ortega says he'll continue following his instinct on the bonds he posts to protect his business. As for Corpus, he has a month to pay the $50,000. Once today's judgment is signed and filed, Corpus can challenge the jury's decision by filing an appeal or a motion for a new trial. Reporting live in the studio, Carolina Cruz, Channel 5 News at 6.
There are several types of bonds people can obtain if they wind up in jail. Rene Ortega explained bondsmen make the money at the end of a bond. This is how it works. Someone is arrested and given a bond amount. Either the defendant or family members can pays the bondsman a sum of money. The bondsman is in debt to the court for the full amount of the bond and only makes a percentage. Once there's a judgment in the case, the bondsmen make their money back.